Introduction to KherveDB. So KherveDB is a library shown here. It's an icon that gives you access to the NIST library and to other libraries. So it is new, having a new fresh look, and we have here the periodic table with the standard elements, and we have the atomic numbers and also the core levels that we expect for aluminium K alpha. And for example, for magnesium, we expect magnesium 2P instead of magnesium 1S, and then aluminium 2P, and so on and so on. So then, if you, for example, select titanium, you have access here to the NIST library. So the old NIST library from 2019, and here you can further select the state. For example, titanium 2p3 the search formula. For example, I look for TiO2. I will look for the binding energy of TiO2. And if I want to be more selective, at the moment I've got 208. If I want to be more selective onto the bracket, I will just also look for the bracket 1V. And now I'm getting 142. So I can select like this from low to high as I like, or maybe just the formulas. And as you can see, I've got different type of TiO2. But I can also plot the results. So plotting the results will give me access to an average binding energy and average citation. So for example, at 458.5 or close to 458.5, I have more than 40 reference. Yeah. So I can also change the resolution and make it bigger, smaller, as I wish. Then if you want to find out about this reference, you can go to, you can copy the full reference, you can copy the journal, so I right-clicked, or you can do a search in Google Scholar, and this will open up the page on Scholar about this reference itself. Okay, so it gives you all the possibilities. You also have, if you double click or just right click, you get the whole information of that paper. What type of specimens they use, the calibration, and so on and so on. And then if you double click on any of them, let's say titanium, you get this titanium property page. And this doesn't look like much, but it just gives you a small reference, but also it gives you here the NIST XPS data. So for example, for titanium 2p3 there are about 570 reference. The minimum is 457.34, 453.1, sorry, and then the average 457.34. And also, and I think that's quite a good addition, it gives you access to two websites, the xpsfitting.com and the Thermo knowledge.something. So for example, you get the XPS fitting, and this is just for titanium. So now I will get all the things that Mark Bissinger discussed and mentioned for titanium. If I select vanadium, I'm also now getting straight away into vanadium, and I have the same for the Thermo knowledge vanadium. Or let's say I use silicons, I would be into silicon, and so on and so on. So I think this is quite a good addition to curve fitting and will help processing the data much quicker.